Hi guys, my name is Eric. Thank you so much if this is your first time. If you are returning, thank you for returning. I will be posting every day on YouTube, so I would be super thankful if you joined this cult that I'm creating in this space. So, let's get into the video. I will be talking about the Jawbreaker palette. This Jawbreaker palette is probably 50 some dollars, I think. Something like that. I forgot to say how much the other palette was. Anyways, this palette is 50 some dollars. I think it's like 52, 60, something like that. Anyways, this is the palette. Very rainbow, very beautiful. I'm going to be talking about my top 5 favorite shades of this palette. It's kind of hard to see because the light I'm using an iPad light to like show. Because if not, it was going to be dark. Oof, I feel blind. But, so there's the palette. Honestly, when I'm doing these videos, I don't even like go into it like planned. So I kind of just pick them on the spot from like what I've used and experienced from them. Okay, so for these videos, I'm not gonna be doing from top 5. I'm gonna just be doing like my 5 favorite ones. So for the first one, I think it has to be this purple one. Gumdrop is literally my favorite shade of this whole palette. This is probably the reason I bought this palette. This purple is like, the cool thing about the Jeffree Star shadows is that like they're very creamy. Like everyone talks about the Natasha Denona cream to matte, but like these literally feel like cream. And the cool thing is that you can, so like this color, this shade does have a lot of color to it, but if you're using the wrong brush to like apply it, you can always go over it and the color is like there. And they blend so well. These Jeffree Star shades literally blend themselves. I would only say from like Blood Sugar up, I can like vouch for it. Except Thirsty, I haven't tried that one, but I have not tried his 2 first ones, the Beauty Killer and the Androgyny palette. They just like never interested me. Besides, I'm more like of this like hardcore packaging, even though this one isn't that hardcore. But I like the bulky ones. I like them to look like a piece of art. So after the purple one, it's probably let's see this is gonna be weird because I hate the color orange, but this orange juice shade, oh my god. This shade is like the craziest orange I've ever seen. I don't know if I've ever seen like a true, oh my gosh, like it looks like liquid orange that was like made out of metal, just melted down. Like, those 2 colors together inspire me. Another one that I do really like. What's another one? I have not used this other than Halloween, but it is probably gonna be this metallic purple. Something that really, it has like a true purple to it, but like when you put it on, it has like a reddish pink reflect to it, which I thought was pretty cool. Cause like purples can like shift one way if they have like blue glitter in it, or like red if they have like a red shift to it. So there's that one. And then let's see. Honestly, just these shimmers in these are so freaking good. I think I really like. I think I'm gonna go in with Snack. Let's see. See if it inspires me. No, I don't think that one's gonna be it. Okay, for sure though, Cotton Candy. It's like metallic pink, which sounds insane, but like it kind of has like, it gives me the same feeling that that orange one does. It's just like you would never expect this like neon color to be like as shiny and buttery as these are. So we have one, two, three, four, and then I think the last one is probably gonna be this blue one. What is it called? Soaked. In this camera, it looks like not as blue. Let's see. It's more like, okay, this camera is not doing it justice, but this color is more like a primary blue than the camera is making it look like navy. And the crazy thing is that it's so soft, like, oh my god. This shade definitely does not swatch well, but when you go over it again, I don't know what he did to this one. He added straight butter to this. This is like the smoothest blue I've ever felt. It's not like super pigmented, but I'm sure you could build it up. So hopefully you guys found this video beneficial. Whether you should like buy this palette or not. If you did, and you want to like keep up with me, I do have a TikTok. It's gonna be Eric Quezada 8, and then I do have an Instagram at Eric Nerd. I don't know why it took me so long to think of that. And then yeah. Oh my god, I also have a Twitter. I forgot. Pfft. I have a Twitter. It's Eric Quezada 24053. I know I sound like a robot. And I also have a Snapchat, but I don't use it. If you guys want me to be more on Snapchat and like more active, I definitely will. But I'm like more of an Instagram kid and TikTok. So, there is that. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.